So one of the first steps that we take with a headless build, and to be honest, it's most of our projects involve this, would be a discovery. I think that is one of the most important things you could do, especially on a headless build, is you want to level set on what that scope of work is, and being able to identify, well, what integrations need to occur. Does that integration already exist, or does it need to be built? What are the business critical functionalities that need to be deployed, and how are we going to approach those? Another thing that I mentioned before that is extremely important is going to be the content modeling side of things. So focusing on content modeling is one of the most important things you could do, and we do that early on. We want to make sure that the designs that we are creating have a design system, and that we're approaching headless in a very strategic way. Some of the most popular integrations our clients are requesting are going to be Klaviyo, email marketing. The other one would be Gorgeous for customer service. That's an amazing tool, and for any e-commerce brand, that's a great customer experience app. So another one would be, we're getting more and more requests for dynamic yield because we're doing a lot more CRO. So utilizing that platform, which is for larger brands, being able to do A/B testing and things like that. Some others would be, of course, Okendo and Yotpo on the review side. So those would be the most popular. And of course, I can't leave out Recharge. Recharge on the subscription side, which we did implement for OneBlade. That's going to be another one that is really popular that we get a lot of requests for.